Fact 1. The mystery of Lake Vostok. Imagine a world hidden beneath miles of ice, a pristine ecosystem untouched by sunlight for millions of years. This is the reality of Lake Vostok, the largest subglacial lake in Antarctica. Buried beneath nearly 4 kilometers to 5 miles of ice, this massive body of water is roughly the size of Lake Ontario and holds secrets that scientists are only beginning to unravel. The existence of Lake Vostok was first hypothesized in the 1960s by Russian geographer Andrei Kapitsa, based on seismic soundings. However, it wasn't until the 1990s that satellite radar imagery confirmed its existence. The sheer scale of the lake and the extreme conditions surrounding it presented immense challenges for exploration. One of the most intriguing aspects of Lake Vostok is the water itself. It's believed to have been isolated from the atmosphere for at least 15 million years, possibly even longer. This means that the water is likely supersaturated with oxygen, potentially up to 50 times higher than in typical freshwater lakes. This extreme oxygenation could have profound effects on any life that might exist within the lake. The pressure at the bottom of Lake Vostok is also immense, around 350 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. This intense pressure, combined with the perpetual darkness and frigid temperatures, around -3 degrees Celsius or 27 degrees Fahrenheit, creates an environment that is unlike anything else on Earth. For decades, scientists debated the best way to access Lake Vostok without contaminating its pristine waters. The concern was that drilling through the ice sheet could introduce surface microbes and disrupt the unique ecosystem. After years of planning and careful consideration, a Russian team finally breached the lake in 2012. The initial penetration was carefully controlled to prevent a sudden inrush of lake water into the borehole. Instead, the pressure difference caused the lake water to rise up the borehole and freeze, forming a sample of ice that contained traces of the lake water. Analysis of these ice samples has revealed the presence of microbial life, including bacteria and archaea. While the diversity of life is relatively low compared to surface environments, the discovery confirmed that life can indeed exist in such extreme conditions. Some of the microbes found in Lake Vostok have been identified as aquatic species, while others are terrestrial species that may have been trapped in the ice for millions of years. The implications of this discovery are profound. It suggests that life may be able to exist in other extreme environments, such as the subsurface oceans of Europa and Enceladus, moons of Jupiter and Saturn, respectively. These icy moons are believed to have liquid water oceans beneath their frozen surfaces, and Lake Vostok provides a valuable analog for understanding the potential for life in these extraterrestrial environments. The exploration of Lake Vostok is an ongoing process, and scientists are continuing to analyze the data and samples collected from the lake. Future expeditions may involve deploying robotic submersibles to explore the lake floor and collect more detailed information about the ecosystem. One of the key questions that scientists are trying to answer is how life can survive in such an extreme environment. What are the energy sources that sustain the microbial community? How do the microbes adapt to the high pressure, low temperature, and high oxygen levels? It's possible that the microbes in Lake Vostok are chemosynthetic, meaning that they obtain energy from chemical reactions rather than from sunlight. One potential energy source is the oxidation of methane, which may be produced by geological processes deep within the Earth. Another possibility is that the microbes are utilizing hydrogen, which could be produced by the interaction of water with the underlying bedrock. The study of Lake Vostok is not only important for understanding the potential for life in extreme environments, but also for understanding the history of the Earth's climate. The ice sheet that covers Lake Vostok contains a record of past climate conditions, and by studying the ice cores, scientists can learn about past temperatures, atmospheric composition, and precipitation patterns. The lake itself may also contain valuable information about past climate conditions. The sediments at the bottom of the lake could contain fossils and other organic matter that can provide insights into the Earth's history. The exploration of Lake Vostok is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It's a reminder that there are still many mysteries to be solved on our planet, and that even in the most extreme environments, life can find a way to thrive. Fact 2. The Wandering Stones of Death Valley. Imagine a desolate, sun-baked landscape where rocks seemingly move on their own, leaving trails etched in the dry lakebed. This is the surreal reality of Racetrack Playa in Death Valley National Park, California, home to the mysterious sailing stones. For decades, the movement of these rocks baffled scientists and intrigued visitors. The rocks, ranging in size from a few inches to over a foot in diameter and weighing up to 700 pounds, appear to wander across the flat, cracked surface of the playa, leaving long, winding trails behind them. Some trails are straight, while others curve and loop, sometimes even changing direction abruptly. The mystery deepened because no one had ever actually witnessed the stones moving. The lack of direct observation led to a variety of theories, ranging from the scientific to the fantastical. Some speculated that the rocks were moved by strong winds, while others suggested that they were pushed by aliens or some other unknown force. The challenge was to explain how rocks of such considerable size could move across a relatively flat surface without any apparent external force. The playa itself is a dry lakebed, a remnant of a larger lake that existed during the last ice age. The surface is composed of a fine-grained mud that cracks into polygonal patterns as it dries. The key to solving the mystery lay in understanding the unique combination of conditions that exist at Racetrack Playa. The playa is located in a closed basin, surrounded by mountains that funnel strong winds down onto the flat surface. During the winter months, the playa can occasionally flood with a shallow layer of water, typically only a few inches deep. When temperatures drop below freezing, this water can form a thin layer of ice. In 2014, a team of researchers led by Ralph Lorenz and James Norris finally captured the sailing stones in action. They installed time-lapse cameras and GPS trackers on several rocks, and for the first time, they were able to observe the movement directly. The observations revealed that the rocks move when the playa is covered with a thin layer of ice that is just strong enough to support the weight of the rocks but thin enough to break into large, floating panes. These panes of ice are then pushed by light winds, carrying the rocks along with them. The researchers found that the rocks only move when the conditions are just right. The ice must be thin enough to break easily, but thick enough to provide sufficient buoyancy. The wind must be strong enough to push the ice, but not so strong that it breaks the ice into smaller pieces. The movement is also influenced by the shape and size of the rocks. Rocks with a flat bottom tend to move more easily than rocks with a rounded bottom. Larger rocks require stronger winds to move, but they also leave deeper and more distinct trails. The sailing stones of racetrack playa are a fascinating example of how seemingly simple natural phenomena can create complex and mysterious patterns. The mystery surrounding the rocks has captivated people for generations, and the eventual solution has only added to the allure of this unique and otherworldly landscape. The discovery also highlights the importance of patience and persistence in scientific research. It took decades of observation and experimentation to finally unravel the mystery of the sailing stones, and the solution was only possible thanks to the development of new technologies, such as GPS trackers and time-lapse cameras. The sailing stones of Racetrack Playa continue to fascinate visitors to Death Valley National Park. The Park Service has taken steps to protect the playa and the rocks, and visitors are encouraged to observe the rocks from a distance and avoid disturbing the trails. The mystery of the sailing stones may have been solved, but the allure of Racetrack Playa remains undiminished. The desolate landscape, the strange rock formations, and the knowledge that these rocks are capable of moving on their own create a truly unique and unforgettable experience. The fact that the movement is driven by a delicate balance of natural forces, wind, water, ice, and gravity, only adds to the wonder of this place. It's a reminder that even in the most barren and seemingly lifeless environments, nature can create surprising and beautiful phenomena. Fact 3. The door to hell, the Darvaza gas crater. Imagine a fiery pit in the middle of the Karakam Desert, a constant blaze that has been burning for over 50 years. This is the Darvaza gas crater, also known as the door to hell, a dramatic and somewhat terrifying spectacle in Turkmenistan. The story of the Darvaza crater began in 1971 during a Soviet geological expedition. Geologists were searching for natural gas deposits when they accidentally drilled into a large underground cavern. The cavern was so large that the ground above it collapsed, creating a massive crater. To prevent the escape of poisonous gases, the geologists decided to set the gas on fire, believing that it would burn off in a few weeks. However, the gas has been burning ever since, creating a fiery spectacle that has become a major tourist attraction. The Darvaza gas crater is approximately 70 meters, 230 feet, in diameter and 30 meters, 100 feet, deep. The heat emanating from the crater is intense, and the air around it is filled with the smell of burning sulfur. At night, the crater glows with an eerie orange light, making it visible for miles. The crater has become a popular destination for adventurous travelers, drawn by its dramatic appearance and the sense of danger and mystery that surrounds it. Visitors can camp near the crater and watch the flames burn throughout the night. The future of the Darvaza gas crater is uncertain. The Turkmen government has considered various options for dealing with the crater, including extinguishing the fire, but so far, no action has been taken. In 2010, President Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov ordered that the crater be closed, but this order was never carried out. In 2022, he again instructed officials to find a way to extinguish the fire, suggesting that it could be harmful to the environment and the health of local residents. The Darvaza gas crater is a unique and unusual phenomenon. It is a reminder of the power of nature and the unintended consequences of human activity. It is also a symbol of Turkmenistan, a country with vast natural gas reserves and a rich cultural heritage. The crater is a testament to the long-lasting impact of human decisions on the environment. What was initially intended as a temporary solution has become a permanent fixture in the landscape. It's a reminder that our actions can have unforeseen consequences that can persist for decades or even centuries. The door to hell is not just a fiery pit. It's a story of geological exploration gone awry, a symbol of environmental impact, and a testament to the enduring power of nature. It's a place where the earth seems to breathe fire, a stark contrast to the vast, silent desert that surrounds it. The sheer scale of the crater and the intensity of the flames are mesmerizing. It's a reminder that even in the most desolate and remote corners of the world, there are wonders and mysteries waiting to be discovered. Fact 4. The Sala de Uyuni. Imagine standing on a seemingly endless expanse of blinding white, where the sky and the earth merge into a single, seamless entity. This is the Sala de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, located in southwest Bolivia, near the crest of the Andes. Spanning over 3,900 square miles, the Sala de Uyuni is a breathtaking landscape of otherworldly beauty. It's a remnant of a prehistoric lake, Lago Minchin, which dried up thousands of years ago, leaving behind a thick crust of salt that stretches as far as the eye can see. The salt crust is incredibly flat, with an average elevation variation of only about 1 meter across the entire Sala. This extreme flatness, combined with the reflective surface of the salt, creates a unique optical illusion, especially during the rainy season. When a thin layer of water covers the salt flat, it transforms into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky above with stunning clarity. The Sala de Uyuni is not only visually stunning but also incredibly rich in minerals. It is estimated to contain 50 to 70% of the world's lithium reserves, a critical component in batteries for electric vehicles and other electronic devices. The extraction of lithium from the Sala de Uyuni has the potential to significantly impact the global economy, but it also raises concerns about the environmental and social impacts of mining in this fragile ecosystem. Besides lithium, the Sala also contains significant amounts of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Local communities have traditionally harvested salt from the Sala for centuries, using simple tools and techniques to extract the salt and transport it to nearby markets. The Sala de Uyuni is also home to several islands, which are remnants of ancient volcanoes. These islands are covered with unique rock formations, cacti, and other desert vegetation. Isla Incahuasi is one of the most famous islands in the Sala, known for its giant cacti, some of which are over 33 feet tall and hundreds of years old. The Sala de Uyuni is a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from all over the world. The surreal landscape, the stunning reflections, and the unique geological features make it a truly unforgettable experience. During the rainy season, from December to April, the Sala transforms into a giant mirror, creating breathtaking photo opportunities. Tourists often visit the Sala to take perspective photos, using the reflective surface to create illusions of scale and distance. The Sala de Uyuni is also home to a variety of wildlife, including flamingos, vicuñas, and vizcachas. 3 species of flamingos, the Andean flamingo, the James's flamingo, and the Chilean flamingo, can be found in the Sala, feeding on the algae and plankton that thrive in the salty waters. The Sala de Uyuni is a fragile ecosystem that is vulnerable to environmental damage. The increasing tourism and the potential for large-scale lithium mining pose significant threats to the Sala's unique environment. Efforts are being made to promote sustainable tourism practices and to minimize the environmental impact of mining. It is crucial to protect this incredible landscape for future generations to enjoy. The vastness and emptiness of the Sala de Uyuni can be both exhilarating and humbling. It's a place where you can feel a sense of connection to the natural world and a sense of wonder at the scale and beauty of our planet. The silence of the Sala is broken only by the wind and the occasional sounds of wildlife. It's a place where you can escape the noise and distractions of modern life and find a sense of peace and tranquility. The Sala de Uyuni is more than just a salt flat. It's a place of magic and wonder, a mirror to the sky, and a testament to the beauty and power of nature. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the incredible diversity and beauty of our planet. Fact 5. The formation of the Giant's Causeway. Picture a coastline adorned with thousands of perfectly formed hexagonal columns, a natural pavement leading into the sea. This is the Giant's Causeway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located on the coast of County Antrim in Northern Ireland. The Giant's Causeway is a geological marvel, formed by volcanic activity around 50 to 60 million years ago during the Paleogene period. Molten basalt rock erupted through fissures in the Earth's crust and flowed towards the sea. As the lava cooled and contracted, it fractured into these remarkable geometric shapes. The vast majority of the columns are hexagonal, but there are also some with 4, 5, 7, and even 8 sides. The size of the columns varies, but they typically range from 16 to 20 inches in diameter. The height of the columns also varies, with some reaching up to 39 feet tall. The Giant's Causeway is not just a collection of columns. It's a complex geological landscape with a variety of features, including cliffs, caves, and rock formations. The columns are arranged in several distinct formations, including the Grand Causeway, the Middle Causeway, and the Little Causeway. The origin of the Giant's Causeway has been the subject of legend and folklore for centuries. According to Irish mythology, the causeway was built by the giant Finn mac Cumhaill, Finn McCool, who wanted to cross the sea to Scotland to fight a rival giant. According to the legend, Finn built the causeway by throwing stones into the sea. When he reached Scotland, he found that his rival, Banandaner, was much larger and stronger than he expected. To avoid a fight, Finn disguised himself as a baby. When Banandaner saw the baby, he realized that the father must be enormous, so he fled back to Scotland, destroying the causeway behind him to prevent Finn from following him. While the legend of Finn McCool is a charming story, the scientific explanation for the formation of the Giant's Causeway is equally fascinating. The cooling and contraction of the basalt lava created tensile stresses in the rock, causing it to fracture. The hexagonal shape of the columns is the most efficient way to pack a large number of cells together, minimizing the amount of space between them. This is why honeycombs are also hexagonal. The Giant's Causeway is a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from all over the world. The site is managed by the National Trust, which provides guided tours, visitor information, and conservation efforts to protect this unique landscape. The Giant's Causeway is a testament to the power of nature and the beauty of geological processes. It's a place where you can marvel at the intricate patterns and shapes created by the cooling of lava and imagine the ancient volcanic activity that shaped this coastline. The sound of the waves crashing against the columns, the wind blowing across the cliffs, and the sight of the endless expanse of the sea create a sense of awe and wonder. The Giant's Causeway is a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the incredible power and beauty of our planet. Fact 6. The Great Blue Hole. Picture a perfectly circular, deep blue abyss in the middle of a turquoise sea. This is the Great Blue Hole, a giant marine sinkhole located off the coast of Belize. The Great Blue Hole is approximately 1,043 feet in diameter and 407 feet deep. Its formation began during the last ice age when sea levels were much lower. It was originally a dry cave system formed in limestone bedrock. As the ice age ended and sea levels rose, the caves flooded, and eventually the roof of the cave collapsed, creating the sinkhole we see today. Jacques Cousteau, the famous ocean explorer, declared the Great Blue Hole one of the top 10 scuba diving sites in the world after exploring it in 1971. The hole's unique geological formations and the diverse marine life it shelters make it a captivating destination for divers and scientists alike. The walls of the Great Blue Hole are adorned with stunning stalactites, remnants of the cave system that existed before the collapse. These stalactites are a testament to the fact that the sinkhole was once a dry cave. As you descend into the hole, the water becomes increasingly clear, and you can see a variety of marine life, including sharks, groupers, and colorful reef fish. The deeper you go, the more the environment changes. Below a certain depth, the water becomes anoxic, meaning it lacks oxygen. This lack of oxygen prevents many forms of marine life from surviving, but it also preserves the fossilized remains of animals that lived in the cave before it was flooded. Scientists have used the Great Blue Hole to study past climate conditions. By analyzing the layers of sediment deposited on the bottom of the sinkhole, they can learn about past sea levels, temperatures, and precipitation patterns. The Great Blue Hole is a popular destination for scuba diving. Divers from all over the world come to explore its depths and marvel at its geological formations and marine life. However, diving in the Great Blue Hole can be challenging and requires advanced diving skills. The sinkhole is also a popular destination for snorkeling and sightseeing. Many tour operators offer boat trips to the Great Blue Hole, allowing visitors to experience its beauty from the surface. The Great Blue Hole is a unique and fragile ecosystem that is vulnerable to environmental damage. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change pose significant threats to the hole's marine life and geological formations. Efforts are being made to protect the Great Blue Hole and promote sustainable tourism practices. It is crucial to preserve this incredible natural wonder for future generations to enjoy. The Great Blue Hole is a reminder of the power of nature and the beauty of geological processes. It's a place where you can explore the depths of the ocean and discover the secrets of the past. The sheer size and depth of the hole are awe-inspiring. It's a place where you can feel a sense of connection to the ocean and a sense of wonder at the scale and beauty of our planet. The Great Blue Hole is more than just a sinkhole. It's a portal to another world, a place of mystery and adventure, and a testament to the beauty and power of nature. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the incredible diversity and beauty of our planet. Fact 7. The Mariana Trench. Imagine descending into the inky blackness, miles beneath the surface of the ocean, to a place where the pressure is more than 1,000 times that at sea level. This is the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the world's oceans. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, east of the Mariana Islands, The Mariana Trench is a crescent-shaped depression in the Earth's crust. Its deepest point, known as the Challenger Deep, is approximately 36,070 feet below sea level. If you were to place Mount Everest, the world's tallest mountain, into the Mariana Trench, its peak would still be more than 7,000 feet underwater. The Mariana Trench is formed by the subduction of one tectonic plate beneath another. The Pacific Plate is being forced beneath the Mariana Plate, creating a deep trench in the ocean floor. The pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench is immense, about 1,086 pounds per square inch. This extreme pressure, combined with the perpetual darkness and frigid temperatures, just above freezing, creates an environment that is hostile to most forms of life. Despite these harsh conditions, life does exist in the Mariana Trench. Scientists have discovered a variety of organisms that have adapted to survive in this extreme environment, including bacteria, amphipods, and even some species of fish. These organisms have developed unique adaptations to cope with the extreme pressure, darkness, and lack of food. Some bacteria, for example, can survive by feeding on chemicals released from the Earth's crust. The Mariana Trench has been explored by a handful of human beings. The first manned descent to the Challenger Deep was made in 1960 by Jacques Picard and Don Walsh in the Bathyscaphe Trieste. In 2012, filmmaker James Cameron made a solo descent to the Challenger Deep in a specially designed submersible called the Deep Sea Challenger. He spent several hours exploring the bottom of the trench and collecting samples. The exploration of the Mariana Trench is challenging and expensive, but it provides valuable insights into the Earth's geology and the potential for life in extreme environments. Scientists are continuing to study the Mariana Trench to learn more about the organisms that live there, the geological processes that shape the trench, and the potential for discovering new resources. The Mariana Trench is a reminder of the vastness and mystery of the ocean. It's a place where you can explore the limits of human endurance and discover the secrets of the deep. The thought of descending into that inky blackness is both terrifying and exhilarating. It's a place where you can feel a sense of connection to the natural world and a sense of wonder at the scale and beauty of our planet. The Mariana Trench is more than just a trench. It's a frontier, a place of discovery, and a testament to the resilience of life. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the incredible diversity and beauty of our planet. Fact 8. The Amazon rainforest. Picture a vast, emerald green sea stretching as far as the eye can see, teeming with life and shrouded in mist. This is the Amazon rainforest, the largest rainforest on Earth, covering an area of approximately 272 million square miles, about 40% of South America. The Amazon rainforest is a biodiversity hotspot, home to an estimated 10% of all known species on Earth. It spans across 9 countries, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. It absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis and releases oxygen, earning it the nickname the lungs of the planet. The Amazon River, the second longest river in the world, flows through the heart of the rainforest. It stretches for about 4,000 miles and carries an enormous volume of water, accounting for approximately 20% of the world's freshwater discharge into the oceans. In some places, the Amazon River can be up to 7 miles wide during the rainy season. The Amazon rainforest is home to an incredible diversity of plant life, including an estimated 40,000 different species of trees. These trees provide habitat for countless animals, from tiny insects to large mammals. The Amazon rainforest is also home to a wide variety of animals, including jaguars, monkeys, sloths, toucans, macaws, and countless species of insects, reptiles, and amphibians. The rainforest is also home to the anaconda, one of the largest snakes in the world, which can grow up to 30 feet long. The Amazon rainforest is home to numerous indigenous communities, many of whom have lived in the rainforest for thousands of years. These communities have a deep understanding of the rainforest's ecosystem and its resources. The Amazon rainforest is facing numerous threats, including deforestation, illegal logging, mining, and agricultural expansion. Deforestation is a major concern because it reduces the rainforest's ability to absorb carbon dioxide and contributes to climate change. Efforts are being made to protect the Amazon rainforest and promote sustainable development. These efforts include establishing protected areas, promoting sustainable agriculture practices, and working with indigenous communities to protect their land and resources. The Amazon rainforest is a vital ecosystem that plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate and supporting biodiversity. It is a place of incredible beauty and wonder, and it is essential that we protect it for future generations. The sheer scale of the rainforest is awe-inspiring. It's a place where you can feel a sense of connection to the natural world and a sense of wonder at the diversity and abundance of life. The sounds of the rainforest are a symphony of nature, with the calls of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the gentle flow of the river creating a soothing and immersive experience. The Amazon rainforest is more than just a rainforest. It's a lifeline for the planet, a treasure trove of biodiversity, and a testament to the power and beauty of nature. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the importance of protecting our planet's precious ecosystems. Fact 9. The Dead Sea. Picture a shimmering body of water, so salty that you can effortlessly float on its surface. This is the Dead Sea, one of the saltiest bodies of water in the world. Located between Israel and Jordan, the Dead Sea is approximately 34 miles long and 9 miles wide at its widest point. Its surface is about 1,412 feet below sea level, making it the lowest elevation on land. The Dead Sea's salinity is approximately 34%, which is about 6 times saltier than the ocean. This high salinity makes it impossible for most forms of marine life to survive, hence the name Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is a terminal lake, meaning that it has no outlet. Water flows into the Dead Sea from the Jordan River and other smaller streams, but it only leaves through evaporation. The high rate of evaporation in the hot, arid climate causes the salinity of the Dead Sea to increase over time. As the water evaporates, the minerals and salts are left behind, further concentrating the salt content. The Dead Sea has been known for its therapeutic properties for centuries. The high concentration of minerals in the water is believed to have beneficial effects on the skin and joints. People from all over the world come to the Dead Sea to soak in its mineral-rich waters and experience its healing properties. The Dead Sea is also known for its buoyancy. The high salinity of the water makes it easy to float on the surface without any effort. This is a popular attraction for tourists who enjoy relaxing and reading while floating in the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is shrinking at an alarming rate. The diversion of water from the Jordan River for agricultural and domestic use has significantly reduced the amount of water flowing into the Dead Sea, causing its water level to drop by about 3 feet per year. The shrinking of the Dead Sea is a major environmental concern. It threatens the ecosystem of the region and could have significant economic consequences. Efforts are being made to address the problem of the shrinking Dead Sea. These efforts include promoting sustainable water management practices, exploring alternative water sources, and considering the construction of a canal to bring water from the Red Sea to the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is a unique and fascinating natural wonder. It is a place of beauty, history, and therapeutic properties. It is also a place that is facing significant environmental challenges. The sight of the shimmering water, the surrounding desert landscape, and the feeling of effortless buoyancy create a surreal and unforgettable experience. The Dead Sea is more than just a lake. It's a symbol of resilience, a source of healing, and a reminder of the importance of sustainable water management. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the need to protect our planet's precious water resources. Fact 10. The Atacama Desert. Envision a landscape so arid that it resembles the surface of Mars. This is the Atacama Desert, located in northern Chile, often cited as the driest nonpolar desert on Earth. The Atacama Desert stretches for about 600 miles along the coast of the Pacific Ocean, bordered by the Andes Mountains to the east and the Chilean coastal range to the west. In some areas, rainfall averages less than 0 inches per year, and some weather stations have never recorded any rainfall at all. The extreme aridity of the Atacama Desert is due to a combination of factors, including its location between two mountain ranges that block moisture from reaching the desert, the presence of the cold Humboldt Current offshore, which stabilizes the atmosphere and prevents rainfall, and the descending air from the Hadley Cell, a global air circulation pattern that creates dry conditions in subtropical regions. Despite its extreme aridity, the Atacama Desert is not completely devoid of life. Some species of plants and animals have adapted to survive in this harsh environment. Some plants, such as cacti and succulents, have developed adaptations to store water in their leaves and stems. Other plants have deep root systems that allow them to access groundwater. The Atacama Desert is also home to a variety of animals, including lizards, insects, and birds. Many of these animals are nocturnal, avoiding the intense heat of the day. The Atacama Desert is also known for its clear skies, which make it an ideal location for astronomical observatories. Several major astronomical observatories are located in the Atacama Desert, including the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array, ALMA, one of the most powerful telescopes in the world. The clear skies and high altitude of the Atacama Desert provide excellent conditions for observing the universe, allowing astronomers to study distant galaxies, stars, and planets. The Atacama Desert is a popular destination for tourists who come to experience its unique landscape and clear skies. Visitors can explore the desert on foot, by bike, or by car. The Atacama Desert is also home to several oases, which are areas where groundwater comes to the surface, creating pockets of lush vegetation. These oases provide a refuge for wildlife and a source of water for human settlements. The Atacama Desert is a unique and fascinating natural wonder. It is a place of extreme aridity, but also a place of surprising beauty and resilience. The vastness of the desert landscape, the clear skies, and the silence create a sense of awe and wonder. The Atacama Desert is a place where you can feel a sense of connection to the natural world and a sense of humility in the face of the Earth's power. The Atacama Desert is more than just a desert. It's a laboratory for studying extreme environments, a window to the universe, and a testament to the adaptability of life. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the diversity and beauty of our planet. Fact 11. The Aurora Borealis. Imagine a night sky ablaze with shimmering curtains of green, pink, and purple light dancing and swirling in a mesmerizing display. This is the Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. The Aurora Borealis is a natural light display in the sky, predominantly seen in the high-latitude regions, around the Arctic and Antarctic. It occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with atoms in the Earth's atmosphere. These charged particles, primarily electrons and protons, are emitted from the sun during solar flares and coronal mass ejections. When these particles reach the Earth, they are guided by the Earth's magnetic field towards the poles. As the charged particles collide with atoms in the Earth's atmosphere, they excite the atoms, causing them to emit light. The color of the light depends on the type of atom that is excited. Oxygen atoms emit green and red light, while nitrogen atoms emit blue and purple light. The most common color seen in the Aurora Borealis is green, due to the abundance of oxygen in the atmosphere. The Aurora Borealis is typically seen during the winter months when the nights are long and dark. The best locations for viewing the Aurora Borealis are in the high-latitude regions, such as Alaska, Canada, Scandinavia, and Russia. The Aurora Borealis is a breathtaking sight that has captivated people for centuries. It is a reminder of the power and beauty of nature. Many cultures have myths and legends about the Aurora Borealis. Some believe that it is the spirits of the dead dancing in the sky, while others believe that it is a sign of good luck. The Aurora Borealis is a dynamic and ever-changing phenomenon. The colors, shapes, and intensity of the aurora can change rapidly, creating a mesmerizing display. The Aurora Borealis is a result of the interaction between the sun and the Earth. It is a reminder that our planet is connected to the sun and that the sun's activity can have a significant impact on our atmosphere. The Aurora Borealis is a unique and unforgettable experience. It is a sight that will stay with you long after you've seen it. The feeling of standing beneath the dancing lights, surrounded by the vastness of the night sky, is truly awe-inspiring. It's a place where you can feel a sense of connection to the universe and a sense of wonder at the beauty of nature. The Aurora Borealis is more than just a light show. It's a cosmic dance, a reminder of the forces that shape our universe, and a testament to the beauty and wonder of the natural world. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the magic that exists in our world. Fact 12. The Grand Canyon. Picture a colossal chasm carved into the earth, revealing layers of rock that tell the story of millions of years. This is the Grand Canyon, one of the most iconic natural wonders in the United States. Located in Arizona, the Grand Canyon is approximately 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide, and reaches a depth of over a mile, approximately 6,000 feet. It was carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, gradually eroding the rock and creating the immense canyon we see today. The Grand Canyon is a geological marvel, exposing layers of rock that range in age from nearly 2 billion years old to just a few million years old. These layers provide a record of the Earth's history, including periods of mountain building, erosion, and volcanic activity. The Grand Canyon is home to a diverse range of plant and animal life, adapted to the varied climates and elevations found within the canyon. The rim of the canyon is covered in forests, while the inner canyon is a desert environment. The Grand Canyon is a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Visitors can hike, backpack, raft, or take mule rides into the canyon. The south rim of the Grand Canyon is open year-round and offers numerous viewpoints and hiking trails. The Grand Canyon is a sacred place for many Native American tribes who have lived in the area for thousands of years. The canyon is considered to be a spiritual center and is protected as a national park. The Grand Canyon is a testament to the power of nature and the beauty of geological processes. It is a place where you can marvel at the scale of the earth and the forces that have shaped it. The sheer size of the canyon is overwhelming. Standing on the rim, looking out over the vast expanse of rock and sky, is an experience that will stay with you for a lifetime. The Grand Canyon is more than just a canyon. It's a living textbook of geology, a spiritual sanctuary, and a testament to the power of nature. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the vastness and beauty of our planet. Fact 13. Mount Everest. Imagine standing on the highest point on Earth, looking out over a panorama of snow-capped peaks and endless sky. This is Mount Everest, the world's tallest mountain above sea level. Located in the Himalayas, on the border between Nepal and Tibet, China, Mount Everest rises to a height of approximately 29,032 feet, 5 miles. It is part of the Mahalangur-Himal subrange of the Himalayas. Mount Everest was formed by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates, which began about 50 million years ago. The collision continues to this day, causing the Himalayas to rise about 0.4 inches per year. Mount Everest is a challenging climb, requiring specialized equipment, extensive training, and a high level of physical fitness. The climb is also dangerous, with many climbers losing their lives due to altitude sickness, avalanches, and falls. The first successful ascent of Mount Everest was made in 1953 by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. Since then, thousands of climbers have reached the summit. Mount Everest is a sacred mountain for many people in the region. It is considered to be the home of the goddess Myolang Sangma, and climbers often leave offerings at the summit. Mount Everest is facing numerous environmental challenges, including pollution from climbers and the effects of climate change. The melting of glaciers is causing water shortages and increasing the risk of avalanches. Efforts are being made to protect Mount Everest and promote sustainable tourism practices. These efforts include cleaning up trash, limiting the number of climbers, and promoting responsible climbing practices. Mount Everest is a symbol of human ambition and the pursuit of dreams. It is a place where people push themselves to the limits of their physical and mental endurance. The view from the summit of Mount Everest is said to be breathtaking, a panorama of snow-capped peaks and endless sky. It's a place where you can feel a sense of accomplishment and a sense of connection to the natural world. Mount Everest is more than just a mountain. It's a symbol of human achievement, a testament to the power of nature, and a reminder of the importance of protecting our planet's fragile ecosystems. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the heights that we can reach when we set our minds to it. Fact 14. Yellowstone National Park. Envision a vast landscape of geysers, hot springs, mud pots, and colorful thermal pools, all nestled within a sprawling wilderness of forests, mountains, and lakes. This is Yellowstone National Park, one of the most unique and geologically active places on Earth. Located primarily in Wyoming, with small portions extending into Montana and Idaho, Yellowstone National Park covers an area of approximately 3,472 square miles. It is one of the largest national parks in the United States and is home to more than half of the world's known geysers. Yellowstone National Park is situated on top of a massive supervolcano, which last erupted about 640,000 years ago. The park's geothermal features are a result of the heat from this underlying volcano. The geothermal features in Yellowstone National Park are incredibly diverse, ranging from towering geysers that erupt with boiling water to tranquil hot springs with vibrant colors. Old Faithful, perhaps the most famous geyser in the world, erupts approximately every 90 minutes, shooting a plume of hot water and steam up to 180 feet into the air. Grand Prismatic Spring is the largest hot spring in the United States and the third largest in the world. Its vibrant colors, ranging from deep blue to bright orange, are caused by different types of bacteria that thrive in the hot, mineral-rich water. Yellowstone National Park is also home to a wide variety of wildlife, including bison, elk, bears, wolves, and coyotes. The park is a popular destination for wildlife viewing. Yellowstone National Park is a testament to the power of nature and the beauty of geothermal processes. It is a place where you can witness the Earth's energy in action. The sounds of the geysers erupting, the bubbling of the mud pots, and the steam rising from the hot springs create a unique and immersive experience. Yellowstone National Park is more than just a park. It's a living laboratory of geology, a sanctuary for wildlife, and a testament to the power of nature. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the dynamic forces that shape our planet. Fact 15. The Sahara Desert. Picture a vast, seemingly endless expanse of sand dunes, stretching as far as the eye can see under a blazing sun. This is the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world. Covering an area of approximately 3.6 million square miles, the Sahara Desert stretches across much of North Africa, encompassing parts of Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, and Tunisia. The Sahara Desert is characterized by its extreme aridity, with rainfall averaging less than 10 inches per year. Temperatures can soar to over 120 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and drop below freezing at night. Despite its harsh conditions, the Sahara Desert is not completely devoid of life. Some species of plants and animals have adapted to survive in this extreme environment. Camels are well suited to life in the Sahara Desert, able to travel long distances without water and withstand the extreme heat. Other animals that live in the Sahara Desert include lizards, snakes, scorpions, and various insects. The Sahara Desert is also home to nomadic peoples, such as the Tuareg, who have adapted to the harsh conditions and travel across the desert in search of water and grazing land for their animals. The Sahara Desert is a landscape of stark beauty, with towering sand dunes, rocky plateaus, and occasional oases. The desert is constantly changing, with the wind shaping the sand dunes into new and ever-shifting patterns. The Sahara Desert has played an important role in human history, serving as a trade route between North Africa and Sub-Saharan Africa. The trans-Saharan trade brought wealth and cultural exchange to the region. The Sahara Desert is facing numerous environmental challenges, including desertification, climate change, and resource depletion. The expansion of the desert is threatening agricultural land and water resources. The Sahara Desert is a reminder of the power of nature and the resilience of life. It is a place where you can witness the beauty of the desert landscape and the adaptability of plants, animals, and humans. The silence of the desert, broken only by the wind, creates a sense of peace and solitude. The Sahara Desert is a place where you can feel a sense of connection to the natural world and a sense of humility in the face of the Earth's power. The Sahara Desert is more than just a desert. It's a landscape of extremes, a testament to the resilience of life, and a reminder of the importance of protecting our planet's fragile ecosystems. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the vastness and beauty of our planet. Fact 16. The Bay of Fundy. Picture a dramatic coastline where the sea rises and falls with extraordinary force, revealing a hidden world of mudflats and unique rock formations. This is the Bay of Fundy, located on the Atlantic coast of North America, between New Brunswick and Nova Scotia, Canada. The Bay of Fundy is renowned for having the highest tides in the world. During each tidal cycle, the water level can rise and fall by as much as 53 feet on average, and in some areas, the tidal range can exceed 56 feet. That's taller than a 4-story building. These extreme tides are caused by a combination of factors, including the shape and size of the bay, the resonant frequency of the bay, and the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. The shape of the Bay of Fundy is like a funnel, which concentrates the incoming tidal waters and amplifies the tidal range. The resonant frequency of the bay, which is the natural frequency at which the bay oscillates, also contributes to the high tides. The gravitational pull of the moon and the sun is the primary driver of the tides. As the Earth rotates, different parts of the planet are pulled more strongly by the moon and the sun, creating bulges of water that we experience as high tides. The extreme tides in the Bay of Fundy have a significant impact on the local ecosystem. The tides expose and submerge vast areas of mudflats, creating a rich habitat for shorebirds, shellfish, and other marine life. The Bay of Fundy is also a popular destination for tourists who come to witness the dramatic tides and explore the unique coastline. Visitors can walk on the ocean floor at low tide, kayak through the towering Hopewell Rocks, or watch the tidal bore, a wave that travels up the rivers at high tide. The Bay of Fundy is a testament to the power of nature and the beauty of coastal processes. It is a place where you can witness the dynamic interplay between the land and the sea. The sound of the waves crashing against the shore, the cries of the seabirds, and the vastness of the ocean create a sense of awe and wonder. The Bay of Fundy is a place where you can feel a sense of connection to the natural world and a sense of humility in the face of the Earth's power. The Bay of Fundy is more than just a bay. It's a dynamic ecosystem, a geological wonder, and a testament to the power of the tides. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the constant change and beauty of our planet. Fact 17. The Okavango Delta. Picture a vast, inland river delta teeming with wildlife, a green oasis in the heart of a dry landscape. This is the Okavango Delta, located in Botswana, a unique and remarkable ecosystem. The Okavango Delta is one of the largest inland deltas in the world, covering an area of approximately 5,800 square miles during the dry season and expanding to over 11,600 square miles during the wet season. The Okavango River flows from the Angolan highlands into the Kalahari Desert in Botswana, where it spreads out to form the delta. Unlike most rivers, the Okavango River does not flow into the sea. Instead, its waters evaporate and transpire into the atmosphere, creating a unique ecosystem. The Okavango Delta is a biodiversity hotspot, home to a wide variety of plant and animal life. The delta is home to large populations of elephants, lions, leopards, cheetahs, wild dogs, hippos, crocodiles, and numerous species of birds. The Okavango Delta is a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. During the wet season, the delta floods, creating a vast network of waterways and islands. During the dry season, the water recedes, leaving behind a patchwork of lagoons, channels, and grasslands. The Okavango Delta is a popular destination for tourists who come to experience its unique wildlife and explore its waterways by Makoro, a traditional dugout canoe. The Okavango Delta is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is recognized as an area of exceptional natural beauty and ecological significance. The Okavango Delta is facing numerous environmental challenges, including climate change, water diversion, and poaching. The delta is dependent on the annual floods, which are becoming less predictable due to climate change. Efforts are being made to protect the Okavango Delta and promote sustainable tourism practices. These efforts include working with local communities to manage the delta's resources and promoting responsible tourism practices. The Okavango Delta is a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our planet's ecosystems. It is a place where you can witness the power of nature and the interconnectedness of life. The sounds of the wildlife, the gentle flow of the water, and the vastness of the landscape create a sense of peace and wonder. The Okavango Delta is a place where you can feel a sense of connection to the natural world and a sense of humility in the face of the Earth's power. The Okavango Delta is more than just a delta. It's a lifeline for wildlife, a haven for biodiversity, and a testament to the power of nature. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the importance of protecting our planet's precious ecosystems. Fact 18. The Galapagos Islands. Imagine a cluster of volcanic islands teeming with unique wildlife, creatures found nowhere else on Earth. This is the Galapagos Islands, an archipelago in the Pacific Ocean, belonging to Ecuador. Located about 600 miles off the coast of Ecuador, the Galapagos Islands are a chain of volcanic islands that were formed millions of years ago. The islands are famous for their unique biodiversity, which inspired Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. The Galapagos Islands are home to a wide variety of animals, including giant tortoises, marine iguanas, blue-footed boobies, flightless cormorants, and Galapagos penguins. Many of these animals are endemic, meaning that they are found nowhere else on Earth. The Galapagos Islands are a living laboratory for studying evolution. The island's isolation and unique environmental conditions have led to the evolution of distinct species that are adapted to their specific niches. The Galapagos Islands are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and are protected as a national park. The park is managed by the Galapagos National Park Service, which works to protect the island's unique ecosystem and promote sustainable tourism. The Galapagos Islands are a popular destination for tourists who come to experience the island's unique wildlife and explore its volcanic landscapes. Visitors can hike, snorkel, dive, and kayak in the island's pristine waters. The Galapagos Islands are a testament to the power of evolution and the beauty of biodiversity. They are a place where you can witness the wonders of nature and learn about the processes that have shaped life on Earth. The sounds of the wildlife, the crashing of the waves, and the vastness of the ocean create a sense of peace and wonder. The Galapagos Islands are a place where you can feel a sense of connection to the natural world and a sense of humility in the face of the Earth's power. The Galapagos Islands are more than just islands. They're a natural wonder, a living laboratory, and a testament to the power of evolution. They're a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the incredible diversity and beauty of our planet. Fact 19. Lake Baikal. Picture a vast, shimmering lake surrounded by rugged mountains and dense forests, a body of water so deep and ancient that it holds secrets of the past. This is Lake Baikal, located in Siberia, Russia, the oldest and deepest lake in the world. Lake Baikal is approximately 395 miles long and 49 miles wide at its widest point. It reaches a maximum depth of about 5,387 feet, making it the deepest lake in the world. Lake Baikal contains about 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater reserves, more than all of the Great Lakes combined. The lake is so large that it takes about 400 years for the water to be completely replaced. Lake Baikal is also the oldest lake in the world, formed about 25 to 30 million years ago. The lake is located in a rift valley, a geological depression that is formed by the separation of tectonic plates. Lake Baikal is home to a wide variety of unique plant and animal life. The lake is home to more than 1,700 species of plants and animals, 2/3 of which are endemic, meaning that they are found nowhere else on Earth. The most famous animal that lives in Lake Baikal is the Baikal seal, the only freshwater seal in the world. Other unique animals that live in Lake Baikal include the Gallomyanca, a translucent fish that is almost entirely composed of fat, and the Epishura, a tiny crustacean that is a vital part of the lake's ecosystem. Lake Baikal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is protected as an area of exceptional natural beauty and ecological significance. Lake Baikal is a popular destination for tourists who come to experience the lake's pristine waters, stunning scenery, and unique wildlife. Visitors can hike, boat, swim, and fish in the lake. Lake Baikal is a testament to the power of nature and the beauty of freshwater ecosystems. It is a place where you can witness the diversity of life and the forces that have shaped our planet. The sounds of the waves lapping against the shore, the cries of the birds, and the vastness of the lake create a sense of peace and wonder. Lake Baikal is a place where you can feel a sense of connection to the natural world and a sense of humility in the face of the Earth's power. Lake Baikal is more than just a lake. It's a natural treasure, a living laboratory, and a testament to the beauty and power of nature. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left, a reminder of the importance of protecting our planet's precious freshwater resources.